Hey friends, Mary Grace here, and today on Everything Artsy, I wanted to talk to you about blah 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 blah. Hey y'all, it's Mary Grace here. So when I was younger and I had sleepovers all the time, I loved to have a good craft to do for my friends. So we could all come together, do a craft, talk, hang out, and it was just a fun way to spend the night. So I have come up with my 5 favorite crafts that we used to do, and maybe that'll give you some inspiration for what you want to do when you hang out with your friends or just on your own. These crafts are so much fun and they're just a great way to spend your time. So let's get to the video. Okay, so my first all-time favorite craft to do at parties or with friends or for sleepovers or really for whatever are friendship bracelets. I love friendship bracelets so much. They are so simple and they're honestly so cheap to make. To get like a big pack of what they call floss or of the thread that you use for these friendship bracelets, you can get a bunch for maybe $15 to $20, and that's plenty. That's more than enough for all of your friends to have some, and that's really all you need to make friendship bracelets. So super simple, super easy, and then everybody has something that bonds you all together. So who wouldn't want that? Next one are canvases, and in my last video we actually created a beautiful canvas. This is the one that I made, and this is also a great thing to do at parties. Super simple, and it lets even those who don't think they're artists be an artist for a little bit. So that's super fun and a great way to be creative. And of course all you need for that is watercolor paint. You can use acrylic if you want. I used watercolor for this, washi tape, and a canvas. So super simple, super easy. Third are decoupage notebooks. So this is fun. I just took a normal notebook. It has brown paper on the inside, and I cut out stuff from magazines and pretty paper and put Mod Podge all over it so it all sticks there, and that's called decoupage. And I made this beautiful personal notebook, and it actually says Peaches, a love story. Yeah, that's probably from Southern living. In the South, we're obsessed with peaches, or at least in Georgia we are. But so that's super fun, and it lets everybody kind of create their own notebook with their own style. And I liked at the end we all sat around in a circle and explained how we decorated it, why we decorated it the way we did. So it was just a super fun thing to do, and then a conversation starter afterwards. Another fun craft is mugs. Decorating mugs. Yes, I actually in my Etsy shop have some mugs that I designed myself, and the way I designed mine is the same way the craft would go. You just take a normal mug, and with a Sharpie you get to put your own design on it. Super simple, super fun, and then you bake it in the oven at 350 for I think 30 minutes, and then when it comes out it is a beautiful crisp new mug with this beautiful design that you got to create on it. And so that's always fun because it feels like you've created a legit product, which you have, and now you get to own it. And when your friends see it and they're like, I love your mug, you get to be like, thanks, I made this. But of course, if you're feeling too lazy, you can always head over to my Etsy shop and just buy one of mine. No one will know. So that's fun. And then my last craft, which I think is so much fun, it's for the flower child and all of us, are these super fun flower letters. This one's a bit old, so it's been a bit beat up, but it's the letter M. And what I did was I took green foam and I cut the blocks out of it, and I hot glued it into a hollow M. It's a cardboard hollow M. And then I bought a bunch of fake flowers. You can get a big bouquet of them for super cheap, and then just cut off a bunch of the heads of it so that you and your friends can all share. and then I stuck them in there and hot glued them in. So super simple, and it just makes this beautiful M personalized to you. M for Mary Grace, or M for me, or M for majestic, you know, all those words that are attributed to me. But that's always super fun, and again, if you love flowers, that is the craft for you. I love flowers, so it was perfect for me. Those are my 5 favorite crafts for parties or just hanging out with your friends or just you on your own wanting to get crafty. Those are super easy, super simple, cheap, fun crafts to do. And just to review, that was the flower letter, decoupage notebooks, friendship bracelets, canvases, I'm forgetting one, decorative mugs. So all of that, super fun. Yeah, so take your newfound knowledge of 5 of the best crafts and put them to work. I can't wait to see what y'all create. Have a nice day, and I will see y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, if you were super inspired by this or just loved what we talked about and want to know more or want to see more of the things that I get up to, you can head on over to my Etsy shop, Wick Lines, where I create even more stuff and sell it. And you can buy that stuff, support me, and I'll keep making these videos. So that's just a little insight into my life. Yeah. Okay, see y'all later.